let me introduce myself. My name is Fatiana Visandani. I will explain the architectural work of the Aceh Tsunami Museum by Ridwan Kamil. The Tsunami Museum is a historical and educational monumental added to commemorating the devastating Indian Ocean tsunami disaster in 2004. Designed by architect Ridwan Kamil, the building not only functioned as an education center and reminder of the tragedy, but also as a symbol of hope and resilience. Its unique architecture resembles tsunami, complete with narrow and dark passage that dramatize the tense moment when a disaster occurs. Will break an open space, represents hope and life after a disaster. The design of the Tsunami Museum with the theme Rumor Aceh as Escape Will was inspired by Rumor Aceh House, which is a house on stilts. This museum consists of two floors. For one is a room containing track record of the 5 tsunami events, include a tsunami exhibition room per tsunami during the tsunami and post-tsunami rooms. Meanwhile, on the second floor of the museum, there are learning media in the form of a library, props room, 4D mansion room, and souvenir shop. The Tsunami Aceh Museum was designed by Indonesian architect Ridwan Kamil in of February 23, 2008 by Presiden Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono. This museum is a 4-story structure with walls are covered in geometric relief. This building commemorates the victims whose names are inscribed on the walls of one of the museum's innermost rooms, and members of the community who survived this disaster. Part from its role a memory for the dead. This museum is also useful as a place of refuge from the skin of disaster in the future, including an escape hill for visitors if a tsunami occurs again. This is what makes the architectural approach metaphor in the design of the Aceh Tsunami Museum as Escape Hill. The interior appearance of the Aceh Tsunami Museum is a tunnel of sorrow that led to contemplation of the terrible disaster suffered by the people of Aceh, as well as regeneration and recogniting of goods stretch and powder in overcoming this. In Aceh, so it can be said to be an anti-tsunami building in the character of the Tsunami Museum. It was also designed to illustrate the relationship with events that had occurred in can be seen during the tsunami tragedy, that the victim sincere continue to worship Allah in the face of the disaster and help each other in the same situation, that their relatives were left behind by helping to bring the victim of the Aceh tsunami. The Aceh Tsunami Museum has 3 segments, namely Space of Memory, Space of Hope, and Space of Relief. The Space of Memory zone was realized with a tsunami passage and memorial hall. This tsunami passage in the museum is in the form of a row, high-wall corridor with the sound of a roaring waterfall to remind you how scarred the atmosphere was during a tsunami. Meanwhile, the memory hall is an underground art which is a interactive means of remembering the history of the tsunami. In the zone, Space of Hope are realized in the form of a blazing chamber and an atrium of hope. The blazing chamber is a transition room before entering the non-material activity rooms in the form of a tall well with thousands of victim names etched off the wall. Then the atrium of hope is a large atrium space and a symbol of hope and optimism toward a better future, with vision declared to use the ram record the pool and atrium to feel a relaxed mood. The space of relief zone is translated into the hall of light of escape proof, held of light in a park in the form of the small hills as a means of initial result against tsunami, my well and escape roof is a building roof that is designed in the form of a rooftop that can be planted with grass on landscaping and is also used can evacuation area in the event of a flood and tsunami disaster. Museum visitors will pass through a corridor called the Space of Fear. That is it for the presentation. Please forgive if there are my mistakes.